Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market, and checking out the links for either E-Trade or M1, where you can save and trade fractional stocks, or Webull, which is usually giving away a couple free stocks for just depositing $100. So I strongly invite you to invest in your future and check them out. Thanks, and let's get to the video. 2016 Toyota 4runner, gonna exchange the front differential fluid. So you got the shield here, probably you have a shield underneath here. It's got usually a 12mm bolts. This one here, and then this one over here. Take these 4 bolts out, get the shield off. Little hook, and you slide this back to release it. Fits in this hole here probably. All right, front differential fluid. Plug right there, plug right there, drain and fill. 10mm Allen. There's a magnet on the bottom, so you just want to wipe off the any metal residue. So yeah, we'll let this drain for the most part, then put this plug in, probably getting about 30 foot-pounds for these plugs probably, and we'll fill it up. Also 75, 85 GL5 fluid, and again just to the bottom of the fill hole. So we'll fill it till it runs out, and then let it drain a little bit and put the fill plug in. And you can buy these squeeze bottles. You can buy little pumps that screw on top of these, and you can pump the fluid into. It might be a little messy, but you might be able to squeeze this in. Just squeeze in the bottle. So you can buy bottles of all different weights. So again, it calls for 75, 85 GO5 fluid. We're going to pump some fluid in here. Alright, so we let it trickle out. Here we are, front differential service, front differential fluid. Remove and replace, maybe. So pretty easy. We'll clean this up with some brake clean, and it should be good to go. Pretty easy. Good luck to you. We'll put the shield back on, of course. And those bolts are probably like 18, 16 foot-pounds or something like that. So again, you'll hook that in the hole first and install it that way. Good luck to you.